Hey guys, what's up? I'm like a customer TV for and I'm showing this behind the scenes look at planning set for like a Batman okay, Batman was used his new manager. This one is the second one where Joe returns and right now in the beginning Batman and Robin are talking and he's just or whatever. And Alfred's gonna be down here somewhere, and the Bat Changer's gonna be right there. And I made a few changes to the set. I kind of put this all over right there, and I also took all this off. And I don't want to mess up the capes, so I took the capes off while I was sitting on the stairs. And this thing, I think I lost two pieces to that, but they made from here last time. And so this one has toothpaste in it. You can put some toothpaste. It's supposed to be from the Dark Knight. So it's nice and good. I think that maybe things and put Alfred somewhere down here. And just put him right there. There it is. That's it. And here, and my tripod just exploded. That's why it's not there. And that kind of, well, yeah. Yeah, so that's kind of like it about it. It's supposed to be really good, better than the other one. Because the other one I said I didn't use an animation software, but this one I think it really good, but I'm actually not going to use an animation software. Oh, and one second. Here is top of the building. Here's the top of the building. Just have Gordon on it. Freak out. I'm gonna put toothpaste right there and put him on there. There's some building thing. And the building's so small, usually have that sitting on it. So, and that's it. So, peace out people, and I hope you like my new video.